So I got this flower clip, and this flower clip, they come with a hair clip at the back and also a safety pin at the back, and I'm going to show you how to use them. This hair clip is layered with sturdy fabric petals, and it's good for weddings, photography, and also on the seaside, on the beach side, parties, traveling, so many things. And each flower, as I said, has a hair clip and this brooch clip over here. So this brooch pin, you can put it on your clothes and wear it to decorate your dresses. And this is an easy to use clip for your hair and also for different things like belts. And I even use it to create a bracelet. And you also use it for handbag, for so many things. It is so versatile. I absolutely love it. It's well constructed and it will make you the belle of any party. I love it, and oh my goodness, I totally love this design.